Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Pappu Career Guide, a complete guide for all your career needs. So friend, in this video I am going to discuss about the how you can change your analyst to senior analyst role during your interview and all the complete process. How many how many ways are there in which you are going to switch your role, okay, from analyst to senior analyst. Okay, so watch video till the end because I will discuss all your doubts and queries in this video. Okay, so let's begin this video. Okay, so friend, let's discuss point by point. Okay, so so one thing keep in your mind, friend, if Capgemini is hiring, okay, let's suppose Capgemini is currently hiring, and by default they hiring for the role of analyst role. Okay, analyst role by default they are hiring. What is the package for this, sir? 3.824 LPA package you are getting by default. If you are giving your rounds and total, there are, you know that there are total 4 rounds are there na. Fourth round is your in which you are getting a personalized work style report. Okay, so all your performance, okay, all your performance rounds and your and your interview round, okay, because all interview happen on the same day. Okay, technical round, HR round and AMA round, all interview going to be happen the same day. Okay, so if you are performing your interview well in this particular round and all your performance round, then there will be a chances. Okay, I'm not confirming you that yes you are getting a job, because by default they are not meant during the hiring started, they never share these things like yes they are hiring for the 7 lakh package or 7.5 package like. Okay, if you are going to watch my previous video when the Capgemini started hiring for the 2022 batch, at the time they mentioned package of 4 LPA, they didn't mention the package of 7 LPA. Okay, so by default you are getting a package of 4 LPA for the role of analyst role. Okay, and one another point is that, and if you want to get a higher package, then you have to keep this thing in your mind that your performance should be well performed. Like in your first round and second round, third round, whatever you're performing, it's not matter, but your interview is matter, friend. Keep in mind, friend, your interview is matter in this case, because if you are performing well if in your all your rounds, then it's fine. If you are performing like 60% or 70%, you are managing this performance in your assessment round, and if your interview round, if you are performing well, okay, then there will be a chances of getting a senior analyst role. So sir, what are the chances for getting this particular job? So let's discuss. First point is that whenever they are starting for the interview, you just tell me during your interview, okay, yes I know this language, particular language, and I have also done this project, and just mention your project which is based on Java. Okay, which is based on Java. Okay, do one project on Java. Okay, in this particular project just mention all the Java framework, okay, Spring Boot, Hibernate and all the things which is related to the Java. Okay, just more focus on Java. And second most important thing is that whenever they are asking, please explain your project. Okay, at the time you just tell them ki sir I done this project using, you just mention all the technology part you are used in this particular project. Okay, let's suppose you are created a project on the attendance management system. Okay, in this particular project, if you are telling that yes I created this project using Java and this project is doing this thing, it's not going to be worked. Okay, you have to mention your technology part in deeps. They are not going to ask please explain your project in deeply, but you, if you can manage, then just mention that yes sir I used the Node.js, Java, and I used the Spring framework for this creating a front-end page, and sir I used the MySQL for the back-end part and joined this using a MySQL connector. If you are telling them during interview for each and every steps in details using your technical parts, then it will show up yes these candidates know about the technology part, because they are not focusing on your previous all the rounds, but they are more focusing on your interview round. And please be keep in your mind, friend, you are not going to tell your HR that sir I want higher package, so if you want any question from from me you can ask. No, you can't do these things. Okay, because if you are telling them that then at the time they are judging you that you are here only for the higher package. Okay, so what is the first is your project, and so what the second steps are during my interview, what can I do that they are like what can I do that I will get a higher package. Second important point is that whenever they are asking any other question from me, like if you have any query, then you can ask. HR said na, at the end of the interview, you just tell them, sir, what are the technology, okay, what are the technology I'm going to use if I got selected in the Accenture Capgemini? What technology we have to work on? This is a technology, because you have to more focus on technology, how you can work on technology, and in which technology the company is working, and what's the trending technology Capgemini is working. Okay. And 3, the most important thing is that never hesitate and never say any wrong information which is not there in your skills. Like you are telling that, yes sir, I know AWS. No, this thing you can't. If you are telling them wrong, then they have your resume also na. At the time they will judge you. Yes, this person is telling wrong, they are saying wrong information. Okay, just focus on your skills, project, whatever project you have done, and more focus on your technology part. Okay, let's suppose you are created project on Java, and Java, all the basic information course like inheritance, encapsulation, class, Java, what is that, this inheritance, all the things you have to know. Because if they are asking, please tell me about your inheritance, then you just tell them briefly details, not a definition. You just tell them, yes inheritance ye kar sakta hai, just something like that. Okay, and we can use this project and also sir, I used inheritance concept in my project also. You just tell, if interviewer is asking any of the technical question, you just tell them one definition and attach to your project. Yes sir, this technology project I also worked on my particular project also. Okay, if they're asking, tell me about class and object, if you are telling them, yes sir, class is a blueprint of creating an object, that's something like that. You just tell them, yes sir, this technology I also worked on my particular project. This way you are connecting with your practical like your theoretical knowledge to your practical knowledge. Are you getting my point? And this is the 3 all steps completed na? And the fourth point is that, okay, and the fourth point is that if Capgemini is hiring and Capgemini is letting you know that they are hiring for the senior analyst role, and this is the by default, because if they are managing, like if they are saying that they are hiring for the senior analyst, then it's fine, because they are hiring for the senior analyst role. And the third is that if you are joined the company, okay, if you're going to be a training period, during your training period, if you are performing well in your training period, at the time they are also ready to pay for the role of they are ready to pay the higher package and the role during your training period, not after the getting a project. No, I'm not telling you after getting a project. Let's see, you are joined at Capgemini and you are going to be give the training period 2 to 3 months. Okay, after that you are getting a project. During training, if you are performing well and if you are more focusing on the module, whatever they are giving you to complete, please complete this module by this date and this date and that date. If you are completing these things na, then it's very useful for you guys. They are converting your role. After getting a job, after getting a project, it's very hard to change your role. Okay, but after 1 year you can just tell them, yes sir, I just want to higher project role, higher project, then you can. But before that, you during your training period, you just perform well, and depending upon your HR or POC, okay, they will change your role. Okay, I think I discussed this point, and okay, and this point I already discussed na, how you can know that, because you know that you are going to be analyst role. But how you can know that? You just show me that you are interested for the higher role. You just saw me, because you can't able to find how TCS, because Capgemini is taking the interview for the analyst role, not a senior analyst role. You know that, but you can just show that you are interested in this role. Still not received selection. I'm just telling you that, friend, just wait for some time or some days, because Capgemini will send you, because they are still hiring and still sending interview mail. If you're not getting, just wait for some days. And Capgemini second phase hiring, they are going to be hiring in the end of this January, or you can say February 1st or 2nd week. They are going to be hired for the second phase for the batch of 2022. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, friend. If you have any doubt, you can just ask in comment section, or you can also join my Telegram group and ask over there. मिलते हैं आपको जय हिंद, जय भारत.